Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup on the POCO M7 Plus. Alright, so in this video I'll show you, in my opinion, the best backup methods that we can use on this device to create a backup. So let's open up the settings first. Now let's go into the About phone. Scroll down, click on Backup and Restore. And we are going to use the Xiaomi Cloud and the Google Backup. Let's begin with the Xiaomi Cloud. Also remember that if you want to use the Xiaomi Cloud, you need to be logged in into your Xiaomi account. And now we need to click on the Backups, click on Allow, and now click on Backup Now. Now the process has started, so now we need to wait until everything gets backup. So I'll see you once this process is finished. Alright, the backup has been successfully made. We can also see its size and the date on which we made it. Now let's click on Done. And now our backup is stored in the cloud, as you can see. Alright, so that's the first method of backupping your data. Now let's go straight into the Google backups, which are also, in my opinion, really useful. Now, under the account storage, we have our Google account that we are currently logged into. It is really important because, for example, if you want to restore your backup in the future, you'll need to be logged in into the same Google account, which is shown right in here. So simply don't forget a password and this mail. Make sure that Backup by Google one is enabled. And below we can also see some backup details. That's basically the list of things that will be backuped. Now, click on Backup Now. I also need to confirm by drawing my screen lock. Okay, and now under the backup word, a bar should appear. Actually, it's taking really long. I don't know why. Okay, finally it appeared, and as you can see, it's starting slowly to fulfill. And when it disappears, it means that our backup has been successfully made. We will also see a notification on the bottom of the screen if everything went successfully. So I'll see you once everything is made. Okay, the data has been successfully backupped. We can also see it right in here that when the last backup was made, and I should take a look on the hour, it was like 2 seconds ago. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.